What's the premium for being in the top 0.1%? This, I don't even have the 1%. I got the 0.1%, right? These are guys way up there in the income distribution. Well, their premium is 20. Okay, that means back here they earn 20 times what the average guy earned. Okay, they actually earn 21 times because that's the premium they got, 20 extra. That has gone from 20 up to 70. All right. Now, how does that fit in? Is that like unexplicable? Well, not really. Because if I put it on my prior chart, which is in proportionate terms, how much has the premium gone up? The college premium tripled. Okay, that's the green line. Basically went up 200%. That's tripling from where it started, right? Remember, 200% increase is tripling. The college premium tripled. The 0.1% went up more than tripled, but actually the 1% went up less than tripled. So that whole stretching that we've seen also happened at the very top. It's just it started a lot bigger, so when you start stretching, there's a lot more stretching to do. So what I'm telling you is this, that there's been growth in inequality. It's been pretty much throughout the income distribution, not just limited to the top, not just limited to the bottom, but it's been a big phenomenon, something that's really been happening. We see it probably most prominently in education. That's probably the place we've seen the biggest increase, even bigger than on some of the other dimensions.